What can I get you, huh?
I gotta have a couple coconut cream pies to go.
I gotta see if we have enough.
What? You always have enough. Why would you say you might not have enough? Now I'm scared. What?
Well, you see, Mr. Galini, he's in the hospital.
Swap recipes. I'll give you mine for spaghetti tacos. You give me your grandfather's for coconut cream pie.
Whoa now, slow your roll there, big boy. What do you say we move this party to the couch?
That was my Don't Judge challenge, and let's just say that was a huge makeover that took an hour because the stuff got stuck on my face. Anyway, my hair looks awesome right now. That was an awesome makeover, and I've never done that before. So, bye!